Today we will be unboxing and reviewing the December Sketchbox. This first print I'm pulling out is by the artist Gris. They are based out of Frankfurt, Germany, and I will be linking their Instagram, Facebook, and website down below if you want to check them out. This box is based off and inspired by their art. This first product I'm pulling out is the TCW Watercolor Sparx Powder in olive, very pigmented. You just use water to activate it. If you like really pigmented product, I suggest that for you. This toned watercolor paper is phenomenal. I put ink, water, I tested all the products in this box on it and none of it buckled. So I'm very pleasantly surprised by that, and I really do recommend that. Now these are the Marabu Art Crayons in terracotta and caramel. When they are used dry, they act like an oil pastel, very creamy, very pigmented. Whenever you add water, you can create gradients or even kind of a wash for your work, whatever effect you're going for. But I do like these and I do want to buy more just in different colors. These Marabu fluid art brushes came in a set of 3. They are beautiful, very easy to use. I am obsessed with them, and I will be talking about these more a little bit later in the video. Sketchbox also threw in a signature watercolor pencil set. There's 6 watercolor pencils, and they all come in these earth tone colors. I will be talking about these a little bit more in the video as well. This next product I'm pulling out is the Derwent line marker. It came in the color black, 0.8 tip, very standard. I like this brand. I have some other pens by them, really good for fine lining. And then this last product is the gouache in white, very highly pigmented, opaque. You can use it really good for highlights and then making tints, water soluble, so it just mixes really good with other mediums. And all of these products will be linked down below individually, and then also a link to Sketchbox in case you're interested. So I'm just taking some rubber cement and I'm gluing down some of this toned paper into my sketchbook, and I'm going to make 2 quick little paintings for y'all and test out some of these products. So I want to talk about the watercolor pencils first. These are honestly my least favorite product in the entire box. I'm not a fan. I'm not impressed by them. It might not look like I'm, pushing down very hard when I'm using it. Honestly, I'm not impressed at all. I really feel like there was no pigment. And when I took water to, manipulate it a little bit, I was hoping it would activate some color. It just didn't. I don't know if it was, the paper I'm using, the fact that it's not white and it's, a yellow tint. I'm not sure. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend buying these if you like really pigment color in your art. If you like a really light wash, or, you like to build a lot of color, I would say that these would work for you. I'm just not impressed, and I feel like there's probably better products out here. Not to bash on Sketchbox or anything like that, I just wasn't impressed, in all honesty. However, these fluid art brushes are my favorite thing out of this entire box. I'm going in here with it right now, and you can see how the pigment's just not coming up. But besides that, these are so easy to use. I typically use acrylic, and I just feel like these brushes save so much time when it came to cleaning, when it came to switching color. You just squeeze the water out and it'll clean the brush for you as you go. I'm obsessed. If you take anything from this video, fluid art brushes are the next best thing since sliced bread, or however the saying goes. I'm obsessed with them. I really did enjoy them. I'm going in with this Derwent fine liner. It did bleed a little bit, but you'll see how I fix that here in a second. I didn't use every single product in this box on these 2 little paintings. However, I did use them off screen, and I really recommend everything but the watercolor pencils. So if you're, looking for some art supplies, or if you're looking for a cool gift, or even just to treat yourself I would say that the Sketchbox is a really neat idea. Everything's linked down below if you're interested in anything. And I've also linked down below my Instagram and my Twitter. So if you want to check out any of my art, I will be releasing prints soon. That's all down there. I'm going to let y'all watch the rest of this video without having to hear my voice. Thanks for watching, and I really do suggest getting the Sketchbox. It's a super cool product. Thank you for watching.